Hi, if you're coming from the San Juan location towards the studio, on my right, I'm already next to the Naxxar church. I'm going to show you how to get to the YUE complex, to the U complex, in which you can find the NU Better Life studio. It's a very simple process. All we need to do is to go all the way down through Labour Avenue. As usual, due to some unexpected or expected traffic, please make sure to make it earlier than usual, especially with the regular roadworks which often take place in the Naxxar area. On the right and also soon on the left, we'll soon be able to notice possible parking spaces as we are getting closer and closer to the studio. One major advantage of Labour Avenue is the ample parking space available. If I take a turn to the left, for example, this is one of the areas in which we can simply choose to park because we're very close to the studio. However, for the sake of this video, I'm going to park right next to the U complex, which you can already start noticing from afar. And here we are. To the left, the U studio is now clearly visible. It will be just a matter of finding a suitable parking spot to park our cars. I hope this helps, and kindly ask for a NU Better Life as soon as you go up the main reception. See you there.